You ever had a box plot and the data, the names that you've put on it are way too long and they overlap? Like this is not a good example, and we're going to touch on this in a second, but if these texts overlap, it's incredibly frustrating to work with. You either have to flip them 90 degrees. I can't tell you how much time I spent trying to remember how to flip these two-seater or whatever these words are 90 degrees so the text will fit. Well, I had a facepalm moment when I realized you can just use coordinate flip on your box plot and it will rotate the whole plot 90 degrees and this will no longer be an issue. So let me detail. We're using the tidyverse. If you haven't installed it, install it. Use the library function to load it. We're using a pre-installed package called MPG. MPG looks at car manufacturer models and data from 1999 to 2008. Anyways, save yourself the headache. Seriously, if you do a box plot in this manner, it looks great. However, if your names are too long or you have too many box plots, they're just going to overlap on the x-axis. It's a pain in the butt. You either deal with it here or you deal with it in PowerPoint or whatever editing software you use. Now, with the coordinate flip, it's the same. Everything's the same. All you do is add this one little line, coordinate flip, and boom, trouble solved. Your names can be fully fleshed out. On the y-axis, the data still shows exactly what you need to show. Maybe this isn't the prettiest. Maybe we want to get rid of the background, theme classic. Better yet, boom. You can see everything you need to see. You can read what you need to read. You could publish this figure right now. Save yourself the time. Use coordinate flip.